Hey, Sarah, that's right. This is their first quarter filing. A little bit of something here for both you and Wilf with regard to your beats. For Wilf's purposes and the banks, Berkshire Hathaway almost entirely sold out of Wells Fargo during the quarter. This was a 99% reduction in its stake to hold just 675,000 shares worth about $26 million at the quarter end. This is March 31st. In terms of the other banks, no real changes with regard to Bank of America, Bank of New York Mellon. Those were unchanged, and there was just a nominal trim in U.S. Bancorp. Berkshire did, however, dissolve its stake in Synchrony Financial. With regard to Kroger, Sarah, boosted the stake there by about 52% to $1.8 billion at the end of the quarter. With regard to being a net seller during the quarter, which is something that Berkshire Hathaway did indicate earlier this year, they did cut their stake in Chevron in half, and in Merck trimmed that stake by about 38% to $1.4 billion. With regard to new stakes, however, reporting a new stake in Aon worth about $942 million at the quarter end. Now, of course, always worth noting, these stakes are as of March 31st and may have changed in the 6 weeks since that time, guys.
And I was going to say, I mean, they've just timed the selling of Wells Fargo so badly, as we've discussed, because it's been selling steadily for a couple of quarters now. Interesting to see since the end of the quarter, Wells Fargo's gained another 23%. Essentially, they've finished their selling. As you said, they sold 99% of it in the quarter. And I mean, but even that at least would have been in the 30s probably versus some of the selling they did last year in below 25. But definitely not a well-timed one, and probably a factor behind why Wells Fargo has continued to rally, perhaps rally the most of the big banks since the end of the quarter, as one of those big sellers it's had ceases to be a seller because it's left in total. But anyway, very interesting one. Leslie, thank you very much.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.